Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the TerunSoul D018 that you can get off Amazon. Let's see what the video quality looks like. I'm going to drive around and give you guys some test footage. Let's check it out. So the TerunSoul D018, I'm very excited to see what comes in the box here. Look at the tolerancing of that box, just very slowly falling out. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So I may have mentioned it earlier, but this is a dual channel 4K. So actually the front and the rear camera are 4K, which is definitely pretty unique. Normally the rear camera is going to be worse quality than the front camera. And then it also is a triple channel, so it has that HD interior cam. Here we can see here how it's going to be installed. Pretty simple. This is basically the same as most dash cams. USB-C from the cigarette lighter to the camera, and then either USB-C to the rear camera. Easy enough. So let's see what we've got. The main camera unit itself. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off so I don't forget during my testing. I have done that more than one time. There we go. TerunSoul on the front. This, it does not look like this can rotate, so that's interesting. We do have a micro SD card already installed. Our typical buttons right here, and then tips. Please peel off this film. So this is where we're actually going to attach it to the mount. So I will go ahead and remove these as well. This is going to be your interface where you can see the camera itself and the menu options, and then this is going to be your internal camera right here. Come on now. All right, so I'll give you a quick close-up here. Pretty sleek and small camera. I am happy to see that. Curious to see what the mounting looks like since you're not able to actually adjust these cameras by rotating them. Hopefully the mount is pretty powerful. Now right here, we have the rear camera, which looks pretty similar to other rear camera dash cams. This one is capable of rotating, a simple stick on to the back window. But this one is going to be 4K as well, which is certainly stronger than most other cameras. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this too. There you have it. Okay, let's see what else comes in here. You got to get the TerunSoul app. You don't have to get the app for most dash cams. I personally just use the SD card to load files onto my computer, but you can get the app if you want to. And then we have all of our tools right here. The main thing we need to get out of this is the GPS bracket. So let's get that out. So this is a typical suction cup mount. I actually really like these ones. These are pretty dang strong. Okay, let's get it installed and test out the front camera and the internal. I'm not going to test the rear camera in this video. All right, the TerunSoul has been installed. We just select our time zone and get started. And then it wants us to periodically format, but we should be good to go. It is already recording, you can see up there. Let's drive around and I'll show you guys some of the video clips. So here's a quick test of the audio of the TerunSoul. You can hear what it sounds like. You can see what I look like. If I want, I can pivot this camera to see less of the hood of my car. And at least from the picture on the screen right now, it looks like this is a very high quality camera. I'll have to look and analyze it once I actually upload the data later. But on the little screen, it definitely looks really cool. It also will show you the direction you're going, so I can see I'm driving southeast at 21 miles per hour. That's a pretty cool feature. I don't normally trust the compass in my car, but that one is actually correct that this is southeast. And right now is a pretty overcast day, so it's a good simulation of maybe a 6 p.m., like a late kind of overcast day or a late summer day. You can get an idea of what it looks like, and then it should be even better video quality when you get into a very bright sunny day.